Look here, we have to do integral of 1 upon x minus root x and dx. In this type question, look here x and root x, here is common is root x. So we can write this first of all, this x we can write here root x into root x, okay, and 1 root x we can take common, so we can get here root x, 1 root x is common, remaining is root x minus 1 and dx, okay. This we can write here 1 upon root x minus 1 into 1 upon root x and dx, okay. From these, look here, if we check these root x minus 1 differential is 1 upon root x you will have here. So we can suppose here root x minus 1 equal to t. What is the differential? Look here, differential we will do here, we will get here this will be 1 upon 2 and x power minus 1 upon 2 dx equal to dt. Actually this is x power 1 upon 2. We have to do differential. We get here 1 upon 2 x power minus 1 upon 2, and this we can write 1 upon root x dx equal to 2. We can transfer 2 dt, we will get here. These value we will put here, we will get, look here, 1 upon these this is actually t we have, so we can write here 1 upon t, and look here 1 upon x, this we have, look here 2 dt, 2 I write outside and dt I write inside. So this 1 upon t and dt, that we can write here this log t plus c. Now plus log t we can put here again root x minus 1 and plus c. So this is our answer. This question we have to integral of x cube minus 1 power 1 upon 3 and x power 5 and dx. To do this question, integral of x cube minus 1 whole power 1 upon 3 x power 5 dx. Look here, here we can see this is x cube, and here also we will have a x cube, okay. So we will separate this x power 5 in x power 3 and x power 2. So this type we can write here integral of x cube minus 1 power 1 upon 3 and x power 5, we can write here x power 3 and x power 2 dx. X power 2 and dx we write in a bracket. Now x cube differential is x square we have. So we will take this x cube minus 1. We will suppose x cube minus 1 equal to t. So x cube equal to, we will one transfer, we get t plus 1. Now we will differentiate with respect to x, we get here 3x square and dx, and here differential will be dt. Now 3 we transfer, we get x square dx equal to 1 upon 3 dt. These all values we have to put in question. So place of x cube minus 1 we will put t, so we get t power 1 upon 3. Here place of x cube we put t plus 1, and place of x square dx we can put 1 upon 3 and dt. Now 1 upon 3 we take outside, and we open this bracket, we get here t power 1 upon 3 into t, and here t power 1 upon 3 into 1. So we get these. Now this power we will add 1 upon 3 and 1, this will be t power 4 by 3 plus t power 1 upon 3 and dt. Now we can do separate. So we get 1 upon 3 bracket integral t power 4 by 3 dt plus integral t power 1 by 3 dt. Now we do the integral of this portion will be t power 4 by 3 plus 1 upon 4 by 3 plus 1. Integral of this portion will be t power 4 by 3 plus 1 and 1 by 3 plus 1. Now we will add this power, we will get here 1 upon 3 in bracket 3 t power 7 by 3 upon 7 plus 3 t power 4 by 3 upon 4 plus c, and this we open the bracket, 3 will cancel, we will get 1 upon 7 t power 7 by 3 plus 1 upon 4 t power 4 by 3 plus c. Now place of t we can put here x cube minus 1. So place of t we put here x cube minus 1. So we get here 1 upon 7 x cube minus 1 power 7 by 3 plus 1 upon 4 x cube minus 1 power 4 by 3 plus c. So this is our answer. All of you understand these? Look here all of you, integral of e power 2x minus 1 upon e power 2x plus 1 dx. This question we have to do, and this is very important also. Look here, here we can divide numerator and denominator by e power x. Okay, so we will get here e power 2x upon e power x plus minus 1 upon e power x, and here also we will get here e power 2x upon e power x
plus 1 upon e power x
dx. So we will get here, look here, from these two x's cancel, we get e power x, and this we can write e power minus x. Same as it is in denominator we get e power x plus e power minus x. Now if we do the differential of this, e power x differential is e power x, and e power minus x differential is minus e power minus x. Okay, so we can suppose here e power x plus e power minus x equal to t. We will differentiate here, we will get here e power x minus e power minus x dx equal to dt. So these value we have to put in this question. Here this will become e power x minus e power minus x, and dx will become dt. So this is dt, and this is t. So we have t, and look here, 1 upon t dt, and this is we have log t plus c, and place of t we put again this value, we get here log, place of t we put e power x plus e power minus x and plus c. This is our answer. Integral of tan square 2x minus 3 dx, this we have to do, and I already say you that if you have tan square x, we have to write sec square x minus 1. So this type we can write here sec square 2x minus 3 minus 1 and dx. Okay, now we can separate them. Look here, sec square 2x minus 3 dx and minus 1 dx. Sec square integral we can write here tan 2x minus 3. Look at sec square x integral is tan x. So place of x we have 2x minus 3. It is ax plus b format, and coefficient of x is 2, so we have to divide by 2. Okay, and this is x and plus c. This is our solution. All of you understand this? Look at this question here. Directly we can see sine inverse x differential is this. Okay, so we will suppose here sine inverse x equal to t. So we can write 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx equal to dt. Okay, we get here differentiate. So look here, sine inverse x we can write t, and 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx we can write dt. So this will become t square upon 2 plus c, and place of t we put again this value, so we get sine inverse x whole square upon 2 plus c. This is our answer. Look at this question, x cube sine tan inverse x power 4 upon 1 plus x power 8 dx. Here we can see this tan inverse x power 4. Okay, so look here, this we take here, suppose tan inverse x power 4 equal to t. Look at tan inverse x differential is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, place of x we have x power 4. Now we have to differentiate of x power 4, that is 4x power 3 dx equal to dt. This we get differentiate, and look here, we write in a proper order. We get here 1 upon 1 plus x power 8 into this we get x power 3 dx, and 4 we transfer 1 upon 4 and dt we get. Now we can check this question here. In this question, look at this x cube, we have x cube dx, and this will be change in sine. This is sine and this is t, so this is t, we can write sine t. and other this x cube dx and upon 1 plus x power 8 we can write 1 upon 4 and dt, and this will become 1 upon 4 integral of sine t is we have minus cos t, and this we can write minus 1 upon 4 cos t. Place of t again we can put here tan inverse x power 4. Okay, this is our answer. Look here, one important question, integral of 1 upon 1 plus cot x dx. Here look here, this cot x we can write in sine upon cos format. So we can write here cos x upon sine x. Okay, this sine x we take LCM, we get here 1 upon sine x plus cos x and whole upon sine x. This sin x we will do reciprocal, so we will get here sin x upon sin x plus cos x and dx. Look here, after these we will suppose this sin x plus cos x equal to, if we suppose t, if we do differentiate we get here sin x means here we get cos x, and cos x differential is we get minus sin x, and dx equal to we get here dt. Okay, so look at this format we want in numerator, this type format. So look here how we can get this type format. We have, look here, you can understand. First of all, you multiply by 2 and divide by 2, we get here 2 sin x. Okay, and we get here sin x plus cos x and dx. 2 sin x we get these 2 sin x we write in two format. One we write sin x, and second time also we write here sin x. Okay, plus we write here cos x, and minus we write cos x, and whole upon sin x plus cos x. Look here, this 1 upon 2 we can get here integral. Look here, this is same as denominator, so we can write separate this sin x plus cos x upon sin x plus cos x, and second time here we take minus common, so we get here cos x minus sin x. This initial portion we have cos x minus sin x dx equal dt, so we have here, and denominator we have sin x plus cos x and dx. Okay, now these we cancel, we get here 1, so we can write here 1 upon 2, and this will be 1 minus 1 and 1 dx minus we can get here, this will become we suppose here t, so this will become t, and this is cos x minus sin x dx is dt, so we can write here dt. All of understand? So we get here 1 upon 2 bracket, the integral of 1 of with respect to x will be here x we have, and integral of t 1 upon t dt we will have here log t. Okay, and place of t we have to put value, that this is our answer 1 upon 2 x minus log. Place of t we have to write here sin x plus cos x. Okay, plus c. This is our answer. All understand this?